What's up guys, I welcome you back to this channel. My name is Ian and we're in episode number 13. I'll be teaching you about the navigation bar and the navigation view cube, to hide them and unhide them. Let's jump into it. Here we are in Autocad and the two items are here, the navigation view cube and the navigation toolbar. So once I want to hide the navigation view cube, which is this one, activate your space and make sure that you type nav cube. That is it. You click on it. So via the options, the black dot shows that it is on. Then if I need it off, I can click over that or over this, then it will go away. So if I need to bring it back, type nav cube, click on it. Then you can also use this option to bring it on. Let's go to the navigation toolbar as well. For that one, you type NAVBAR, click on it. Same story, you can click over this or click over that or type here off like that. Still it will go away. To bring it back, same route, navigation bar, then we bring it on. So that is all for our tutorial. Let me give you a hint. You may need these two pieces to be down here or up there or anywhere among the best four corners of your screen. So to do that, if you are not conversant with that space, type nav. Then from the nav cube, go to settings and you switch on screen options. Click onto that and I will take it to my left and I need it bottom. So bottom left. So it will move diagonal from here to there. That is all for our tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.